everything's right, no wrongs. Thinking about how you care for me, you laid down your life, a perfect sacrifice for me, yeah. What would I do without your love? There is no me without your love. The way you love me so tenderly, yeah. You love me, nothing above you. There is no one like you, yeah. For all that you are, I give you all the praise. To you my hands I raise, I worship you always. Cause you carry me like a baby. Showers of blessings. Every beautiful morning, see your goodness and mercy. You keep on loving me, all I see is your mercy. There is no one like you. I love you. You love me so. So, my Lord, you love me so. I love you so, I'm never letting you go. Nothing can separate me now. Nothing can separate me from you. Nothing can separate me from you. I could go on now. I could go on till the trumpet sounds, but I could go on now. But it'll never be enough. Love me so. Carry me. Oh yeah, you love me so. Love me. Oh yeah, you love me. I'm gonna sorry. No, they do me corny. Oh, your love, no, they don't. Your love is for me. Nothing else I need. Your love, you please me. Yeah. You are God. Always on my mind.
It's real.
Every life I live on more, I don't live on my own. Cause you're there for me, oh. And every time I fall more, you hold me from my back. I be your baby, oh. On my case, you are on my case. You know they follow me, go my way. On my case, you are on my case. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay.
On my case, Lord, you are.
Lord, you are on my case.
Change your ways, you read.
You made the same man.
On my case, Lord, you are.
Lord, you are on my case.
Case. Oh Lord, you there on my case. You never leave me lonely. Every time I call your name, you there answer me. So I trust your ways. You are full of grace. Mighty are your ways.
To me, I know they want because you gave my side. I know they ever fear because you gave my side. To me, I know they want because you gave my side. I know they ever fear because you gave my side. On my case, Lord, you are. On my case,
Yeah.
change your ways.
You remain. guiding me, showing me the way you look after me.
I've been searching far and wide for love that could only be found in you. Perfect always is your unfailing love. It's all in you, my Jesus. Never changing, never failing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your love is all around.
Yo, what's up, chat? How you guys doing? Happy Thursday. What's up, everyone? If you guys can drop some energies in the chat, let's go. Come on. Shout out to 10 viewers right now.
Never changing, never failing. Oh, your love is all around, yeah. Around. You never let me go. You turn my life around. Around, yeah. Your love is all around, yeah. You never let me go. You turn my life around, yeah. You never let me go. All of my scars, all of my pain, all my mistakes, you washed away, got me singing like, never changing, never failing. All of my scars, all my mistakes, you washed away. You got me singing like, never changing, never failing. Your love is all around. Hey, around. You never let me go. You turn my life around. Yeah. Your love is all around.
What's up? Drop some energies in the chat. Shout out to 17 viewers right now. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the live stream. If you guys can drop some energies, drop some W's in the chat. Come on, man. Drop it.
Hello traders and welcome.
Everything that I touch is blessed. Everything that I touch is blessed. Yeah. Let's go one time. first one, a new creation. I am deity, royalty.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him, the push would still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for
What's
me,
up? What's up?
What's
up, JC? What up? What's up, Reese? How you doing? How you guys doing? Shout out to 14 viewers right now. How you guys doing, man? How's the trading this week, chat?
Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what.
Yeah. Having God with the life first, chat. Having God with
had the
life
ultimate confidence.
first.
I've always believed in myself.
Yo, what's up?
And I always tried
You
to
guys
do the
ready
best I
for
could.
today? Happy
It was instilled in me as a
Thursday.
kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through
Happy
three different
Thursday,
titles and
everybody.
100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation
No one
I
is
had with Nick
chatting
when he
in
was
the
doing Purple
chat.
Rain.
No
So
energy
he
chat.
faith of a mustard seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did my research on what faith of a mustard seed meant, it says that with the faith of a mustard seed, God would allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I move just about every.
Miss your buy idea. Oh, you don't buy a breakout here? From me, I don't buy. So yeah, gang, how you guys doing? How you doing? So I would say number one thing today, the price action, like yesterday price action doesn't look good. Today price action doesn't look good to me because as you can see the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, man, man looks ugly here as you can see, right? No structure, just wicks. I believe yesterday and today there's probably too many traders that I'm gonna get clap off today or yesterday too. Too many men. The market condition, I don't know. But right now the good thing we have breakout. But the breakout, we have structure here on price. So this yesterday you see the breakout, man, go back in the range, breakout again, back in the range, breakout again. um doesn't look good. But the candles, like the 30 minutes candles are getting bigger, so you see volume at least retesting this resistance on the left at least. But I don't know if gonna push further up. Let's see. Yeah, chat, how you guys doing? Shout out to 17 viewers right now. So 50 minutes candle is about to close. 30 minutes is about to close too. I want to take but we are pretty bullish now. And the candles are big, you know. But let's see. Let's see. The good thing is the clean traffic here. The clean traffic, but I'm not saying that it's gonna be filled today because we're pretty bullish. You know, on the 30, 15, 1 hour is bullish. We're going up. The 4 hour too is bullish. As you can see, we're creating some I don't know. It's the same like this. Right? As you can see, this the mirror, and then look at this now. Right? Look at this. The same. Look at that. So July, man. Yeah, this happened on June and July. So yeah. Mirroring the move. But let's see today. Let's see. We're bearish. 15 minutes close. Body small. 30 minutes close. Man, this is gonna be a little bit but once you re-break the lows here, at least we get 20 pips, 15 pips. So 1 day and 13 hours for this weekly candle close. I'm gonna do the top down for you guys to know. All right, 15 candle close there. Doji, very ugly. So the monthly candle is about to close in 4 hours, 4 days and 13 hours, right? And we don't have any red folders, big red folder. We have tonight, no. Yeah, we have unemployment claims. We have mixed folder tonight, 4:30 p.m. on the New York session, 4:30 p.m. But I would say this bullish candle will close bullish again, right? We're gonna probably close like this with the exhaustion wick, right? But I would say it will close bullish, you know, on the monthly time frame. But the weekly, I want to see weekly close bearish at least like this. At least like this, right? At least like that, so we can feel the range, feel the wick on the left, right? So 1 day and 13 hours for this candle closure. And the daily, daily we're still pushing up, right? We have support form. Yeah, I live in Dubai. So you have support form, as you can see. You respect the support here, right? Support form right now, man, it's really look good in the daily time frame. As you can see, the onion really look good here. Very nice, right? The daily, it looks nice going up. Support form is there. 4 hour, yeah, the 4 hour, I don't like the 4 hour right now, but we have structure on the left. We're probably gonna print this mirroring the move. So let's see. That's the 4 hour. 1 hour time frame. So yeah, 1 hour time frame, we see that breakout today, right? Resistance here, probably our current structure support is here, right? Breakout, probably gonna retest this high on the left. Let's see. Let's see. But right now, as you can see, the candles are, have a big candle body. So expect volume on the candles. We're gonna expect that volume today. Um so yeah, 50 minutes is rallying towards the upside. Seller is clapping right now. No sells. The buy is there. So yeah. Right now we're gonna wait here, chat. We're gonna wait for some market structure. Once we see market structure, closure, good body closure on the price, yeah, we're probably gonna take that trade. All right, so what's up, Big Antonio? Jedi FX, how you doing, brother? How you doing? The range is big. Range is big. Yeah, the dollar today kept falling. Yeah, true that. True. Boom. What is your prop? FTMO. Who got the buys here, chat? Who got some buys here? It's really risky to buy here because the 15, the 30 has no bottom wick. We're creating no bottom wick, but still driving up. 30 no bottom wick, pushing up. 1 hour no bottom wick. Oh, that's the 1 hour close too. Okay. Okay. Yeah, today is tough price action. Yesterday's tough price action too. So be careful on price here. Be careful. That's why I said earlier in the live stream, some of the traders gonna be claff yesterday and today. All right, re-break the lows there. Um, Probably yeah. Probably if this candle, 15 minutes candle close bearish, yeah. But I need to see close like this. At least good body on price here. And top wick and then reflip. Probably gonna look like that. Right now, they're trying to be the sellers. They're trying to be trade on the top of the range, right? Right now, probably some of the sellers are activated here right now on the re-break of the previous candle low, right? Some of the traders are probably active right now, right? Like this here. I know, but one bearish candle doesn't mean reversal. Yeah, that's brother. For me, it's different. We're in the different perspective in terms of candles behavior, right? That's why I need to see. So I have bearish candle doji there, and then I need to see one bearish candle form at least good body here. So now I have advantage that I have a good body closure there, and then I need to see top wick first, and then when it flip, I probably gonna take the trade or re-break of the previous candle low entry like this. That's the first idea. But if I wanna take buy, yeah, I probably gonna wait for some retracement here and look for new support form. So once there is support form, yeah, I probably gonna take buys to retest the high up. That's the second idea. But let's see. If next candle close bullish and next one close, yeah, definitely. because yeah, you have support, right? If this candle close bearish and the next candle close bullish, yeah, there's yeah, that's good setup too. So you have support now, resistance is up here, and then the next candle, close bearish like this. Yeah, you're good for selling down because you break below the support. Boom, boom. Yeah, range has been created. Yeah, that's good idea too. That's good idea too. But if this candle close bearish, I probably gonna take it a shot. Tight stops up there. 30 minutes still open, but you re-break the previous candle low on the 30. Look this, right? So the advantage here is the impulse, right? You re-break there, and it's open of the new 1 hour candle, right? You need to understand the time frame correlations too. So you re-break the low on the 30, and then as you can see, the 1 hour is just open up. 47 minutes left, enable for this candle to close, and then the 30 now re-break the lows. So there is a high chance once you re-break the lows once again, you're gonna fill the range probably here or topping the wicks down here. All right, so that's the probability. Okay, the 30 is re-breaking. I want to see 15 close bearish. All right, if the 15 close bearish like this at least, yeah, I'm good with that. I am good with that because you need to understand the re-break of the candles will push through. Re-break. Re-break of the candles. Re-breaking the highs will give you volume. Re-breaking the lows will give you volume. Understanding that. I believe I just posted that reels yesterday. Let's see. About re-breaking the candles. Re-break the candles. Where's the... Now we close above the range. Yeah, close above. There's a high chance that I'm gonna push up, but I don't like the structure right now. I don't want to take buys because there's no retracement on the 30. I need to see retracement on the 30. At least one candle bearish. You know, at least this candle close bearish and then the next candle close bullish to take buys up. But right now, no retracement, no buys for me. Alright, close above the range. No buys, no buys. No buys. No Benos, gang. No Benos yet. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Shout out to 35 viewers. What's up, everyone? What is up? Boom, 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 boom. Can you trade NY live? I'm looking up. I'm looking up, but let's see. Probably on Monday. Probably on Monday, yeah. I'm gonna trade on NY. Probably, yeah. Monday. Let's see. Let's see. But if I live on NY, there's too many people will pull up, or because I believe there is too many live streamers um trading live on NY session, so I don't wanna be participate with them because they're legends, they're goat, they're in the industry for 5, 6, 7 years already, so probably live on the London. But let's see, we never know, right? We never know. We never know. Doo. Any close below, man, it's gonna be good. Trade against the trend. Yeah, trading. Trading is so boring, huh? Something weird is happening globally. We have gold going up and oil price coming down. I'm sure the world is waiting regarding the ceasefire. Yeah. I mean, I don't know, bro, what happened in the on gold or oil. What is the October go from there? April lows. See decline. 10% this year and Wednesday. Harvard. And right now in the news, the dollar, they speak about dollar right now. Yeah, the dollar is going down. What's the news like over there in Dubai, bro? It's discussion point over there or not really? In war, Dubai is safe right now in terms of war, but some of the people they're saying about um the war happening in Qatar and some of the country will affect some of water supply and yeah the oil gas. I don't they're just saying that, but let's see. But Dubai is safe. Yeah, when the trading becomes boring, that's when you get more discipline, less emotion. Yeah, true that. Yeah, if you feel that you're boring right now in trading, yeah, that's how you're gonna feel that you are in the right path and able for you to become profitable. Because for me, I just trade 1 to 2 hours like on this session, and then hit the gym, and then after that I'm gonna come back on NY. If I get trades in NY, I'm gonna take that and call it a day. I'm planning to come back there. I actually still have place there in Silicon. Oh, come back here, bro, and then let's have a meet, man. I'm just here. You are full time. Yeah, I do trading full time already for 2 years now. Actually, four. I haven't any. I don't have any job here right now in Dubai. I'm just a poor guy. Poor guy, man. Having an ambitious to become trader, no job, made million. No, not yet, man. Millions is coming up, man. Millions is coming up. In Jesus' name. Yeah, it's planned, man. It's planned. So yeah, trading, trading, bro. When I start trading, start doing the strategy. I failed too many times before I see some little bit of results. Do you know any Raja? Ah, yeah, I believe. I don't know if Don is a student of Raja. I don't know, but yeah, Donvo he made the million in 1 year. So yeah, and yeah, I would say there's too many people in market fluidity made made the profit, big profit, changed their lives already. To me, I have also one guy, one a Filipino. He's in Philippines. He made a lot of money, man. And he said his mentor is Raja Banks too. So yeah, props to him. Don is a scammer. Yeah, why? What happened? Yeah, this SRC strategy is so easy. Yeah, true that. So 3 minutes and 50 seconds. We have probably close bearish closure. Um, let's see. TT Nick Stewart. Yeah, I see him in live stream every single day. And I follow him also in Instagram. Yeah, right now he's doing good. He's doing good. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. Props to him. Yeah, yeah, he's good. He's good. My best advice to any new traders here: focus down on your own strategy and work at it. Stop watching every trader out there. It's gonna mess you up. Trust me. True that. Very true, bro. Very true. Very true. Focus on one strategy. Don't jump to another strategy and another strategy. And don't create your strategy. I've been there, man. Don't create your own strategy here in trading. You cannot create. You just need to follow the people that have already results. You just need to duplicate them. You just need to copy them. You don't need to create a new one for you. So every month you are green, bro. I would say yeah, at least. How much percentage with this month I will check. So June, right? June, where's not June? June is here. All right. So June, let's say yeah, 6.5% on June. And all of the London session here is trading live on the stream. As you can see. Too many London session here. We're trading live on the stream. And yeah. All right, 50 minutes close. No bottom wick. 30 has bottom wick. You won all the trades? No, man. I have lows on NY here. Yeah, if you're gonna watch, if you're gonna come back, review the stream, yeah. On the London, yeah. This one. And I trade 1 to 2 trades a day. That's it. True, man. I've lost almost everything learned this craft. Yeah. When I start, trading, bro, and start doing challenge before, man, I lose. You sell this here? No, not yet. Not yet, man. Not yet. Not yet. No sales yet. No sales. No sales. I don't like the no this 15 minutes no bottom wick. I don't like. I need to wait for this one more candle to decide where's the price gonna headed. I need to see at least because once the candle closed without bottom wick, there's a high chance that this candle gonna hover here, hover around, and close doji bear bullish, right? Or close doji bearish, like this. All right, but if this candle melts, I'm not gonna interested. If this candle melt 100 pips, I'm not gonna be interested. I need to follow my plan. No bottom wick, no trade. And we are still bullish. If this candle create bottom wick at least like this, yeah, I have probably interest on the flip. But right now I don't have any interest because no bottom wick closure. I actually started when I was living in Dubai 26 2020 when full time 2022. Oh, but yeah. At least you never quit, bro. You never quit. even rough days, tough days. And for the people are working right now, people watching me right now, and if your guys are working, probably in office or whatever, don't quit your job right now, right? Just stay with your job, learn the skill, learn the strategy, be patient, all right? Be patient on what journey you're currently right now. Be patient there, because if you start doing full-time day trading, how you gonna support yourself, how you gonna pay your bills, how you gonna pay your monthly dues, whatever, right? So right now I would say, don't quit your job right now. Just stay in your job, because trading, you just need to have time, at least 1 to 2 hours, and then that's it. Call it a day. If you have the trades, win or lose, 1 to 2 trades a day. That's you. Because first things first, you need to learn the skill, right? You need to learn the strategy. And if you learn the strategy, be patient on the process, because it will take time, and it will take time. Believe me. And I started this live streaming like 6 months ago, January, right? I wanna prove to myself that I can trade with live with the people, and I'm gonna stay in my lane. I'm gonna stay with the process that I know I'm gonna be benefiting in the end of the goal, in my end of the goal, right? And yeah, it's just need to be show up every single day. Show up, even you don't like it, even you don't feel like it. Show up. Show up and be patient for the process, because some of the people, I saw some video yesterday night, and then one of the trader, he said, um from his name is Michael, right? Michael from Market Wizard. He lost, right? He lose over 5 to 8 years, losing no money, right? No profit, anything. And then when it turns 9 years to 15 years, he made 88 million US dollar. And he said he never quit or whatever. He just kept going. Whatever happens, keep losing with 8 years, and then nine, man. Because we never know, right? We never know. We keep, the story of, we keep digging the diamonds or gold, and then right, and then when it hits the tiredness, exhaust, you're tired, you're feeling tired, you don't want you want to quit right now, and then 1 day, 2 day, or 1 month on your journey, you become profitable, but you stop, right? You stop there. So the problem is you, right? Because no one can figure out for you. Only you can figure out here. Only you. All right, we're driving up here again. So if we're gonna take sales, man, it's really tough. Re-break the low there. That's why I need to wait for candle. I need to see candle one more to close bearish, at least doji. It's true, bro. What I lost over the last three, I made back in 3 months. It's crazy, man. See, right? See, yeah. Wow. Wow. All time high. Yeah, man. Holy. NAS is all stocks is all time high again. Oh no, NAS 100 is all time high. Crazy. Wow. Man, last April, yeah. They dump the stock market right now, pushing up further. Wow. And then US 30 is coming up too. Crazy. And then the Bitcoin will follow through. Yeah, Bitcoin, yeah, man. Weekly closure, yeah. Bitcoin probably gonna follow through here, chat. Yeah. So they're gonna push price up on the BTC right now, as you can see. Let's have a tap down here on price. So you have support now. Heavy support, good closure and support. And then your resistance here. Once we have volume, they're gonna push price up. Yeah, it really gonna push further up here. 130,000 probably, or 125k, 120 around that. Because when they dump BTC before, right, 98 last month here. Here 74 meltdown, and then now, oh yeah, the same as you can see, stock crypto pumping up. I would also suggest looking for buys on US 30. Mhm. When it's war, US 30 companies fly as they all benefit because of the resources. I made backlogs on other trades just by holding US 30 buys since last week. Wow, good job, bro. I never trade. When I start trading, I remember when I start trading, I trade US 30. I made some, I made money here. But I blew it all on gold. Crazy. This US 30 crazy too. Crazy volatile. When NYS is open, man. What you gonna do, gold? Yeah, probably today on gold we're gonna see some rally towards to the upside here. Rally. Now consolidating here on 15. Printing side by side. I've seen this a lot of time. When the gold is starting to break out, to rally, yeah, and then suddenly the price stops, the 15 will consolidate. Printing side by side. Bearish, then bullish, closure, no closure, and then bearish again. Bearish, no closure, yeah. Just side by side. Mm, mm. Tu. No bueno skis. Price action yesterday, today stuff. Tomorrow, Friday. Mm, yeah, we still have news tomorrow, core PCE. But I don't believe that it's gonna be have a volume. Can I use the template of your journal? Sure. I will send it here. Give me a second. So if you wanna use this, yeah, just take a copy. Just copy it, copy the journal, and then that's it. Mm-mm. Yeah, I knew it. Printing side by side. Clean traffic up here. 58 pips. But we need volume. No problem. Re-break the high again. Mm-mm-mm. 180 pip move. 4 hours about to close. Re-break the high there. Ooh, push up. Yeah, probably bullish day. It's really risky to buy here on the re-break of the high as an impulse trade. It's really risky because no closure above. And the wicks on the left is gonna be the problem, even though the resistance up here. So we need to keep in mind the resistance is up here, but you need to have check on the wicks. It will have, rejections. And the 4 hour is about to close to in 9 minutes. So careful. You go to the gym and come to stream and I say, um, I'm not gonna live on NY. Probably Monday. Let's see. On Monday, yeah, probably gonna live NY. Price action. No good today. No good. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. Re-break the high again. Cool, cool. Nothing. Chat, nothing here today. Yeah. So choppy price action. I don't like. I mean, not choppy. It's tough price action to me. So, but I'm gonna look probably look for sells close below the range here. Once candle close below the range, clean traffic on left. So yeah. But let's see. All right, so I'm gonna call it the stream. Nothing for me today. So yeah. And we have news later tonight, chat. If you are gonna trade tonight, make sure you have stop loss. Don't over trade. If you don't have any setup, don't trade it. Don't over risk. So yeah, man. Chat, thank you so much for tuning me in the live stream. See you guys tomorrow, man. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. Much love, everybody. Peace, peace, peace. I'm out here, gang. I'm out here, peace.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. You realize that you are a champion. You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I want to lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying, for me giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I